and finally to a lonely mountain far away from anyone else.
Excuse us, I'm Sir Bingo, and this is Sir Keia and Lollie the Jester.
You must be Rainy the Rain Cloud.
I am. Do you want me to leave too?
Actually, we've come to invite you back to play Keia.
So you can look at Queen Lollie's garden, like you wanted.
No, thank you. Queen Lollie told me to go away. She wasn't very kind to me. Neither was everybody else. That's why I'm here, all by myself!
Poor Rainy. I'll cheer her up with Jester Rollie's trademark hilariousness. Hey there, Rainy. What did one raindrop say to the other?
I don't know. What?
Two's company, three's a cloud. See? I'm hilarious.
But I don't have any company. Nobody wants me around.
Wow, she's really thundering now. I only know one cloud joke, and it did not go well. Tough cloud. How are we gonna bring Rainy back to Queen Lollie like this?
She's turned into a huge storm cloud, the very thing of which Queen Lollie is afraid.
We've tried everything. What now?
What about saying sorry?
What did Mo say?
No one said sorry to Rainy.
Yeah, Queen Lollie hurt her feelings, but she's never said sorry.
You're right. She never apologized.
Maybe if Queen Lollie says sorry, Rainy will feel better and want to come back to play Keia.
Good thinking, little pups.
So the royal team brought Queen Lollie all the way to Rainy.
Okay, Queen Lollie, do your thing.
Rainy, I'm so sorry.
Rainy can't hear us. We gotta get closer.
Flying to the storm? But Queen Lollie's scared of storms.
Yeah, this was a bad idea.
Even though Queen Lollie was scared of storms, the queen knew what had to be done.
If it's to help Rainy feel better, I will be brave. Let's puppy doggeth doeth this. Be brave, Queen Lollie. Be brave.
Together, the pups finally got close enough so Rainy could hear Queen Lollie say,
Rainy! Rainy!
Queen Lollie? What are you doing here? Aren't you afraid of storms?
I am, but that doesn't matter. What really matters is that I'm sorry for not being kind to you. You are welcome back to play Keia.
Really? You mean I can see your beautiful garden?
Anytime, Rainy.
I would love that. Thank you, Queen Lollie. Thank you. Oh my gosh!
Oh no, not more crying and storming.
These are happy tears, Jester Rolley.
and so the pups led Rainy back to play Keia.
Oh, what a beautiful garden, Queen Lollie.
Thank you. I'm so glad you came back, Rainy.
And look, Rainy's rain is making the garden flowers happy.
Duke Bulworth, here to say I'm sorry. I wasn't kind to you, Rainy.
We're sorry, too. You can come to Dog Parkindale whenever you want.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Subscribe to find more videos and tune into Disney Junior to watch your favorite shows.